Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to create a group on Facebook Messenger. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my mobile phone. Now over here, I'll tap on this Messenger. And now to create group, on the top you'll find this pencil icon. Tap on this. And over here you can see here is group chat. Tap on this. And now to create group, first of all you need to provide your group name. I'll provide my name as demo group. After that we need to select members. For that I'll select few of my friends. You can select as many as you want. After this is created, just tap on this create. And after that you can see this demo group is created. So in this way we can create group on Facebook Messenger. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.